Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. Oh, it's a zero. Wait, I'm gonna follow that dude for sure. But anyways, I literally was just getting a quick ride in today to go get some caffeine, but it's so damn warm and nice out, I figured why not go on a quick ride, record a quick video. I'm going through this light for sure, and I want to follow this little electric bike up here, the Zero. Two Supermotos just doing their thing. I think he's got the same helmet as me too. I want to say what's up to him. That thing's sweet, man. That's sweet. I like it. It's a Zero?
Yeah.
How many kilowatts is it?
This is 7.2 kilowatt battery hour, so gets you about 100 miles at a charge.
Okay. What size is the battery?
That's
That's the battery size.
the battery, the 7.2.
Okay, cool.
I have it right now, 7.2 and 14.4.
Gotcha. That's sweet. I love it's like a big bike too. I'm actually building a little 72 volt bike right now, actually.
I've had this bad boy for about 2.5, 3 years.
Yeah, yeah.
I referee soccer on the weekends, man.
It's sick.
Here on the back, boom, get to all these fields.
Dude, and it's silent too, and you got the same bag here too. Yeah, this is nice. But thing's sweet, man. Yeah, I just wanted to say I like it.
Cheers.
Yeah, have a good one, dude. Now he's probably just like, screw this guy. So guys, today was the Philadelphia half marathon. So the whole city is just a complete cluster right now. There's people all over the place. Every single like restaurant and bar is packed right now. You can see even right now, there's so many cars. There's no parking whatsoever. But on top of that, we just got a message, got an alert message letting us know that there was a chemical spill in Bucks County, which is just north of Philadelphia, and you can't consume any tap water. Like, you can't drink any of it. So as you can probably imagine, everyone at the gas stations are freaking just buying a shitload of water. Everyone's buying water. They have like huge cases of it, so everyone is going into panic mode. I just went in and got a Gatorade because I was hungover naturally, but it's really funny. So when I go into a gas station later today, we'll probably see there's going to be zero water whatsoever because everyone's going into panic mode and trying to buy everything. It's just like the pandemic with freaking toilet paper, I swear. Like, just look at this absolute cluster, man. All these people. Feels great to be out on a bike right now. All right, so up and through like that. All right, let's try and stick our leg through again, maybe. That'd be kind of cool. We're trying, baby. Dude, I've never seen this many people out. It's crazy. All right, let's put these Supermoto wheels to use. I rarely ride in the curvies just because there's not a ton around here, but it is a lot of fun. When I go out to visit my friend who lives in like Western PA, there's a ton of good roads there. I'm gonna truck my bike out in the back of the Ranger and definitely ride there, so it should definitely be good content for that coming this summer. Hit our little lot here real quick. Yeah guys, my upgrade kit for my little electric mini razor comes in tomorrow. Unfortunately, I'll be away for work a couple days, but I'm hoping like at least by next weekend I should have a video out on that thing. Me shredding it. This thing flies nice and easy. Suspension doesn't even feel that bad on these jumps. All right, bridge time, baby. It's windy. Dude, it is the freaking worst feeling when your head is itchy, like the top of my head is itchy in this helmet, but I can't get the itch. Whew, good time for our daily donut here. Alright guys, I forgot, the whole point of this video was for me to go get a drink so I could keep doing my editing work that I was working on. So I'm gonna go to the gas station, get a drink, and then we're gonna end the video, but I guess you'll just ride with me until then. But I need to stay on track. It's Sunday and I got shit to do. I still got a grocery shop and friggin' meal prep. It'll be okay. He wants one? Alright, let's try to get my foot through here. Make sure we're slowed down enough. Alright, we're pretty close, honestly. We're just getting it stuck on the bar part. I think I gotta like tweak it around or something. Oh, I guess I have a red light. Should stop, I reckon. Full suit. Got a hella people out here right now. Hey. I don't know why they all just pulled up on me like that. None of them are even wheeling. What the hell? Guess we gotta do it right here, right? I think we have to. Sketch. That's why you watch your rear brake, my friends. Let's go to the freaking gas station. What am I doing? LOL. No water. Got our caffeine now. Well guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Plenty more videos to come, so make sure you got your notification bell turned on. But I will catch you next time. Peace.